If you do any kind of affiliate marketing, listen up carefully because a bridge page can be a major factor that can make or break your affiliate marketing business. Yes, a bridge page is a big deal as it is a bridge that can lead a prospect to become your paying customer or your buyer. But many new marketers forget to include this factor in their marketing strategy, and sometimes they don't have a proper knowledge about how to actually utilize a bridge page. And I didn't have that too in my initial years, but you can have it by watching this video, okay? How to be a great digital marketer. Hi guys, my name is Ishan, and in this video I'm going to tell you what a bridge page exactly is and how it works and how it can actually help you to your affiliate marketing business. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, alright? Okay, so now let's start with the concept of bridge page. If we go by definition of bridge page, a bridge page is a web page that comes after a capture page, but it should be before the sales page. And for you to better understand it's a concept, I want to explain it to you with a simple example. Imagine if you're going to a party and you want to invite your friend to that party, but your friend doesn't know anyone there, and how would you convince them to join you? I mean, it's not your party, so you can't say just like, hey, come over, I am throwing a party, right? And if you say, hey, there is a party on the 3rd street and you don't know anyone there, but be there at 8, I will join you later, then probably your friend gonna refuse you to come, right? But if you ask them properly, like, hey, there is a cool party tonight and I want you to join me, I will introduce to you my other friends there, and I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun, so be ready, I will pick you up at 8. Then the chances are much higher that your friend will come to that party with your reference. Am I right? Well, that's exactly what a bridge page does. Just in this case, you consider your friend is to your prospect, and that party is basically a third party sales page to which you want to drive prospect to purchase your affiliate product. And your proposal to that page is your bridge page, which convince your prospect to join your affiliate offer. And it serves as a great proposal that pre-frames your audience for what they are actually going to have in your offer. See, in affiliate marketing, you need to understand that it's all about building a relationship with your prospect so that you can talk to them about your offer, and a bridge page allows you to do so. In my initial days when I was not using any bridge pages, I felt that there was something missing in my sales funnel, as I was not getting a very good result. I was getting some results but not much high conversions. But now with the bridge page, I can give a little more time and space to my audience to better connect with me and my affiliate product instead of like driving them straight to my sales page. So I am telling you this with my experience. It's a great conversion booster that every smart marketer must have in their strategy. Now let's discuss how a bridge page works. See, the sole purpose of the bridge page is to drive traffic to another site, and what a bridge page exactly does it comes into a play right after the capture page, and it shows a prospect a glimpse of your main offer with a link that is your affiliate link that drives a prospect to that sales page. So now you can see why a bridge page is important. And if you talk about how you can use a bridge page, well, there can be so many ways in which you can use bridge page to increase your conversion. And here I'm going to tell you the top 3 ways that you can try, okay? The first way is you can offer a demo. You must have seen many websites offering a demo of their affiliate product. It is a great way to show your audience exactly what they are about to have in your main offer. And you can even write reviews for your affiliate products, which is one of the most popular ways, as people tend to trust a product more if it is referred by someone who have already used it. And you know, this is the same way like whenever you buy something from Amazon, then you always check the product review, right? And if you see some, as everybody or most of them are referring this product, then you usually go and buy that product, right? Now another way that I am going to tell you here is create an unboxing video. A lot of business, especially the e-commerce one, are employing this technique as it's particularly suitable for physical products. And if you are an affiliate of physical products, this is the best way for you to use a bridge page to its fullest. You can use all your influential power in this video and can show your audience why they should buy your product you are promoting, right? And plus, there is a people find video content more engaging than any other form of content. And lastly, I want to add another effective way using a bridge page, that is to tell your story. Well, telling your story is really effective way if you're promoting a service which you cannot actually explain in a demo video, or for which you can definitely not make an unboxing video, right? Like I deal in a solo ad, so what I do on my bridge page is I tell my own story about how email marketing worked well for my own business, and I also share a story of my client for whom I solo ads are still working and giving them actual results. This particular way worked well for me so far, and I think you should try to if you promote something like solo ads or any other digital product or services like digital courses, online tutorials, etc. So with this we have come to the end of this video, and I hope that this helped you better understand the concept and the usage of bridge page. Tell us in the comment section what do you think about this video, and your suggestions if you have any. And at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be part of my community, you already know that the link is already in the description box below. Please go and join it there, and I am looking forward to engaging with you there. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so that you won't miss any of my further updates. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this so far. Cheers. Bye bye.